Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 Electronics Repair here. We're going to continue on these Slims. Like I said, this one is a Scph 77001 AU31 82744. The PK number is right there if you're interested. This one says special disk read error. I have already tested these all off camera. They all don't read disk one way or another, so this one doesn't look like it's been opened before, so we're going to go ahead and open it. Like I said, I had to find lasers for these. They're not a dime a dozen anymore, so I'll go ahead and get this thing apart, and we're going to avoid the warranty on camera. Oh no, you took the sticker off. You avoided the warranty. There's no such thing anymore. Sony still tries to do that to this day. Putting a warranty void sticker on your stuff and peeling it off doesn't void your warranty. There's a warranty act for that. It's a federal warranty act. They have to honor the warranty, and unless it says it right in there, and it's just implied if you pull that sticker off. Even though you pull the sticker off, it doesn't matter. Warranty's not void. Trust me. People have been taken to court for that, so I guess I'll get this apart and I'll be right back. I'm back and we're in. It's just 6 screws. Like I said before, we're just going to swap the laser out. This one doesn't read CDs. Doesn't read really anything, actually. It will not read anything. It just says cannot read disk. Whoops. Don't break that flag. Yeah, don't break the flag board, folks. They're not cheap. If you want an OEM one, 90% of the time they're used. And you don't want a used one. So, like I said, same particular practice as before. Pull it out. Make sure your plastic tab right here is where it needs to be. Don't lose it. That's for the pole to sit on. Slide your pole out. Get my finger out of the way. Like I said, I'm not the greatest cameraman in the world. Sorry about that. Another flip-up situation. And then you yank the ribbon cable out. This one's in like new condition. It's not been replaced, I can tell you that much just by looking at it. It has lube on it. Whoa, almost dropped the camera. That would have been fun. So we're going to go ahead and put a laser in this thing and see what it does after that. I'll be right back. Alright folks, laser swap's been complete. I didn't show you the entire process because it's the same as the first video. It's just reverse order, that's all. Foot fell off, I'll fix that later. You should take a little dab of double-sided sticky tape or some type of glue. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. It's got video. Let's see if it'll read a disc. Sorry about the glare on the TV. There you go. Another bad laser, folks. This thing would not read anything. Not even a CD or a PlayStation disc or anything. It's like, seriously? I know these are simple repairs, but I want to show you guys that sometimes you don't need to be rocket science to figure this out. It works. We're going to go ahead and reset. Let's see if it reads a CD. There you go. Reads the CD just fine. Whoop. Like I said, I got 7 more. 7 more. Actually, 8 more. I gotta have a whatever lot, and then we're gonna go back to fats. I have a couple fats that need to be fixed. They're probably just laser replacements. That one that I fixed earlier over there doesn't work, so it only works when it's hot, so I'm assuming the security chip is the blame. I'm gonna try to reflow it. We'll see what happens. I don't think anything's gonna happen with it, unfortunately.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3.
Just checking Rumble quick, and then I'll swap to a PlayStation disc, and that'll be the end of the video.
Car selected.
I'm trying to keep these short and sweet because these are all slims, and they all look like they have the same common theme here. They won't read a goddamn disc, so this one actually says disc read error on it. I'll probably film the next one to show you that they say cannot read discs. That's what the newer ones say. They cannot read the disc. So
3, 2, 1, go.
this one rumbles. She's a rumbler. Hit the wall, punk. Alright, on to the next thing. Go ahead and reset. Sorry about the glare. The sun's shining in here because there's no curtains anymore. And sorry about the dust. They've been sanding and all that stuff on the walls. So, like I said, this one's fixed. So, the old laser's sitting down there.
Absorb the speed.
Race is on.
Rage Racer.
Little dab of super glue will fix that thing, by the way. It's just industrial strength glue. That's what they use. Seems to be loading just fine.
Racers, start your engines and let's get it on.
Most people don't play DVDs in these anymore. They play games. I learned that a long time ago.
3, 2, 1, go. The race is on. Show 'em what
It works, like I said. Still got video on a reset, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here, and I'll show you what it says. It says right on the thing, special disc read error. There's no longer a disc read error, folks. Like I said, this is Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair signing out. Catch you on the next one.